I am Charles Fenstermaker, the company CH Fenstermaker and Associates. I serve as president, third generation family owned business. We operate in Louisiana, Mississippi, New Mexico, and Texas. I remember when I first started running our business, I met with Will and Kelly, and NEI is really a partner of ours. I don't consider them a vendor, and I don't think they should consider us a vendee. I think one of the reasons we're here today is because they brought us some cutting-edge technology that you guys use and have. So they're truly a partner that brought us an innovative solution to a problem we were trying to solve for.
It started about 2 years ago with Lafayette Parish school system contacting us. They wanted asset management, they wanted security, and they all wanted it done at the same time. So the project kind of spun off of that. So from there, the project kind of developed into, hey, we need to collect as much data as possible in these schools as accurately as possible. If they have to respond to an incident at a school, that they have these digital maps within their units, and the digital maps represent exactly what's on the ground.
Today we are at Westminster Christian Academy in Lafayette, Louisiana. We are scanning the schools to make a floor plan for emergency services in Lafayette Parish. We've done this with all the public schools, and now we're going back to do the private and charter schools.
It was really easy to use. It allowed us to track where we were, where we hadn't covered in a lot of these schools. That really helped us out in the project.
Everyone recognized that a mapping system was needed for schools. You know, when we analyze things, we realize that schools and children are probably our most vulnerable. So we wanted to take the latest technology and put that to use. From 911's perspective, our main goal was to be able to get this technology mapping system into our CAD. And what Fenstermaker was able to bring to the table was the technology to get the schools mapped in the correct format that was easily transferable to our CAD system. So that was one of the most important things that we looked for in a partner, and they were able to provide that for us.